Daja ni hao! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Bugs Kitchenette. And today's video ay gagawa po tayo ng side dish, Chinese recipe. Ito po yung ating onion with shredded pork. So tara guys, turuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa. This is our main ingredients. Red onion, shredded pork, thinly sliced pepper, and minced garlic. For our seasoning, we need here salt, chicken powder or MSG will do. Skip if you don't want, it's optional. Cornstarch, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, oil, and wine, or any cooking wine will do. And for our pork, we're going to defrost this for 30 minutes, and then we're going to cut it into strips. So ito na yung ating pork. So hihiwain na natin sa gitna. So, diba? Medyo matigas pa siya guys, pero pwede na siyang hiwain. Mas maganda tong hiwain rather than sa medyo malambot. See? Straight na straight siya guys, diba? So, mas okay to na ganito siya ka. Hindi naman siya masyadong malambot at hindi masyadong matigas. Parang okay lang din. So, tingnan nyo, yung pagkat natin is even talaga. Walang sayang, walang tapon na mga pork na yung makapal o manipis. Yun, parang hindi siya perfect, pero guys, yung tingnan nyo, napakalinis niyang tingnan talaga, no? So, ayan yung sekreto natin dyan sa paghiwa ng ating pork. So kung magtatanong kayo kung nahugasan ko na ba yung pork, yes po. Bago ko po nilagay sa freezer, inugasan ko na yung pork at pinatigas ko po sa freezer. So, ayan. In a bowl, ilagay natin yung ating shredded pork. Imamarinate po natin. Lagyan natin ng konting salt. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So, i-marinate po natin muna to for 10 minutes. Lagyan natin ng 1/4 teaspoon na oil. And i-mix lang natin ulit. And then, i-marinate po natin to ng 10 minutes. In a wok, put oil, and then we're going to cook our pork into. Ilagay natin yung ating wine. 1 kutsara lang yan. Nalilimit hanggang maluto yung ating meat. So, huwag nyo i-overcook guys. Lutuin natin sa high heat guys. So, ayan, luto na yung ating pork. And iset aside lang muna natin to. So, in the pan, maglagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon of oil. We're going to add our minced garlic. We're going to add our peppers. our onion. And then, stir fry lang natin to. Lagyan na natin ng salt. Konting salt lang. And then, yung chicken. And now, we're going to add our cooked pork. Add 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And we're going to add 1/2 or 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And then we're going to add chicken powder. And done. And done. So this is our final product. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone. Bye.